Hi everyone, my name is Reet Singh. I'm the co-founder of tripoutside.com. Trueline Studio didn't ask me to make this testimonial, but I asked if I could do this. I've been here in India over the last couple of weeks recording with these guys a lot of YouTube videos and content. And I just wanted to tell you that this team is amazing. Their studio is amazing, lighting, sound, the environment, the temperature control. It's been a phenomenal recording experience. And I just wanted to recommend them to you guys for all your production needs, whether it's a podcast, you want to do YouTube videos, tutorials. They also have a really world-class editing team that we'll most likely be using as well. But their production piece that I've used so far, they record, they upload everything to you, they get it right to you, they're always on time, and their team is always supportive, right there, helping you with anything you need during your production. So if you're looking for a studio that's world-class, especially hard to find in India, in all of North India, I've been looking, and this was the one that really landed. And more than just the studio, the team has been phenomenal. So I hope you take your video dreams to the next level with this team, and I think they're the right team to help you with your project. Thank you.